Mittu and the Yellow Mango. Mittu was a parrot, a green parrot with a red beak. One day, Mittu was flying. He loved to fly. He looked down. He saw a big yellow mango on the tree. Mittu liked mango. Mittu wanted to eat that yellow mango. He flew down to the tree. Cow, 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 go away, go away. This is my tree. Mittu looked up. He saw big black crow. He had a very loud voice. Mittu was afraid of the crow. He flew away. Mittu saw a red balloon. It was under a tree. The crow was sitting on the tree. Mittu went behind the tree. He picked the balloon with his red beak. The balloon blasted. It was very loud voice. Cow, 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 said the crow and fell off the tree. Cow, 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 cow. A big gun after me, said the crow. He flew away and never come back to the tree. Mittu come to the tree. He ate the big yellow mango. Yummy, yummy, yummy. What a nice mango, said Mittu. He was very happy. A clever Mittu.